These images that are coming in from across Maharashtra in Dadar right now, where the final day of bidding adieu to Ganpati Bappa is taking place. The Visarjan is taking place, and remember, there were very specific guidelines, extensive preparation by the BMC there in also artificially created ponds for making it easier for people to celebrate this year. Many, of course, have sent across their prayers online. Those who have stepped out are witnessing this Visarjan taking place in all of these multiple artificially created ponds across the city. No one will be individually allowed to do the Visarjan this year. You will be handing over your idol to the BMC, and the BMC officials would be doing that. All of this being conducted right now as we speak. BMC has listed out social distancing norms, wearing masks, some of it which is still being violated as we speak. Our correspondent Disha is getting us further inputs here. Disha, it may seem unreal, as we were talking about this earlier as well. This is marking a very popular festival in very difficult times, but at the same time, people who need to be as mindful of following those guidelines as well.
Well, certainly, Seher, this time around the Ganesh Chaturthi, the entire 11-day festival was pretty much quiet, no much celebration. But today, specifically on the Visarjan day at one of the biggest pandal here, Ganesh Galicha Raja, we are looking at a no different scenario at all. This time around, we are looking at the same number of people coming on the ground level, catching the final and the last glimpse of Bappa. Here you can see the 4-feet idol, Ganesh Galicha Raja, which is also known as Mumbai Cha Raja, one of the oldest and one of the famous pandal over here in the city. And for the first time in 92 years, the pandal, the idol will be immersed in the artificial pond over there, which has been beautifully decorated. It also has a tag which says as Mumbai Cha Raja. So this is where the idol will be immersed today by the pandal people, and this is for the first time. It is because of the COVID pandemic. It is because of keeping in mind that how the cases are increasing in the city. There have been certain guidelines, certain restrictions. Otherwise, this is the idol, Seher, which all the time always takes one entire day of the tour. On the 11th day, it leaves from the pandal, and the next day, 12th day morning, it gets immersed at Gurgaon Chapati. So this is the biggest, one of the biggest idol, and that is why lakhs of devotees come and catch the glimpse of the Bappa. But here on the ground level, we are not looking at social distancing norms. This is one of the factors which is concerning the most, because BMC's guidelines clearly said no public gatherings, specifically at the biggest pandals. But here we are looking at a different scenario. Approximately, we can see about 500 people gathered in this one ground itself, from kids to senior citizens, people chanting Ganpati Bappa Moria. This is something that the government time and again had warned, to keep the festival very quiet, not to really gather in huge numbers, maintain social distancing, wear masks all the time. But we are not looking at this scenario in few places. So this is the only one spot that we are looking at. But across the cities here, if you talk about, there are about 60 plus natural ponds. 167 artificial ponds have been set up so that people can go and give their idol to BMC to immerse. This time they cannot immerse it on their own. And as you can see, the idol over here is taking one entire tour of this pandal.
That's right.
And then it will be immersed in that artificial pond. So this is the sort of situation we are looking at specifically on the Visarjan day.
Right. Disha, we've of course been reporting various festivals that we've seen in the course of the past few months. This is what all the festivals that have fallen post the lockdown, post the pandemic here. While in certain cases there have been rules that have been followed, people have been as responsible about making sure that no such event becomes a super spreader. Have you managed to get in a word from some of the devotees there who are in understanding that this is something they should have followed far more strictly? The authorities have worked very hard in making these extensive arrangements here so that people don't feel that they're missing out on celebrations. And yet there are people, some of them, flouting the norms today.
we will take those questions directly to the devotees here who have come in large numbers. We'll try and speak to the devotees here if possible. Sir, अगर हम आपसे बात करते हैं, इस बार BMC ने क्लियरली बताया है कि आप इतने पब्लिक गैदरिंग मत कीजिए, थोड़ा सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन कीजिए, फिर भी आप लोग यहाँ पे आए इतने भीड़ में।
हमने हमारे गणेश उत्सव मंडल ने सबको आह्वान किया था, पहले से आह्वान किया था कि इस बार जो गणेशोत्सव है हम वो सादे पद्धति से मनाएंगे, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग सब हमने यूट्यूब चैनल जो सोशल मीडिया है, यूट्यूब है, फेसबुक है, उसमें सब में हमने आह्वान किया का जनता को आह्वान किया था कि आप वहाँ से ही देखिए, आप आइए मत। फिर भी थोड़े बहुत लोग आए हैं, हमने बहुत कोशिश की है कि जितना भी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग हम मेंटेन कर सकते हैं।
देख रहे हैं कि कोई भी यहाँ पे सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन है और ये एक बहुत कंसर्निंग फैक्टर रहा है।
हाँ बराबर है।
तो कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हो यहाँ पे?
मैनेज मतलब हम कैसे, सबको आह्वान तो हमने पहले से ही किया था, हमने मीडिया थ्रू भी बताया था कि आप घर पे ही बैठ के तो हम पब्लिक को ऐसे रोक नहीं सकते, मतलब जानबूझकर ये कर, फिर भी हमने जितना हम हमारे तरफ से हो सकता है हमने किया है।
The word is coming in from one of the Pandal representatives who is saying that they did try a lot to, hold people outside, but they did not really pay any heed to. We'll try and speak to one of the devotees. Sir, आप बताइए, इस बार BMC ने क्लियरली बताया कि गणेश चतुर्थी का फेस्टिवल है, विसर्जन है, आप लोग भीड़ में इकट्ठा मत होइए, ज्यादा लोग नहीं आइए। तो आप यहाँ पे क्यों आए थे?
गणेश गली विसर्जन के लिए आए हैं, गणपति के लिए।
भीड़ में
मास्क तो पहना है ना, ज्यादातर लोगों ने मास्क पहना है, तो इसलिए आए।
So here we heard one of the devotees there saying कि मास्क तो पहना है ना, तो गणेश गली का विसर्जन हम देखने आए हैं। So these are few of the common views that we are actually getting from the devotees across because Ganesh Gali is known as one of the oldest and the renowned idol, and like I said, it takes at least 24 hours for the idol to take the entire tour of the city before immersion, before Visarjan. So that is the love that the devotees have for the idol. But here you are looking at the Bappa has now reached over there in that gully. It will now take a U-turn and directly come inside the ground where immersion will take place.
Well, Disha, thank you for getting us those updates here. We, of course, would have wished that people would have been far more careful. But this is an important festival. It's an important day. We hope that the numbers of COVID-19 remain contained post this. Thank you for getting us those updates.